Ma'am, right now at the Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Indoor Stadium for the Occupational Safety Health Summit. So, how was your experience been?
My experience was great. I got to know about a lot of products that I was not even aware of. There are many things in the market today that are not usually brought to us. So it is important for us to come to the market and explore what all options are available. Special thanks to Government of Goa for organizing this first of its kind exhibition. It is meant for people like us who have recently ventured into the field.
Ma'am, there is a workshop also going on. Speakers have been come. Have you attended any of the workshop?
I have attended a few talks. I haven't attended the workshops yet, but I'm looking forward to attending the workshops as well.
And when you taken the round at the summit, Expo Summit, so how was the?
I had a good time. I met a lot of companies, not only from Goa but even outside Goa, and everyone had to offer something of their own which will be actually beneficial to our factories. I think Goan factories should take a revamp in their operations and they should improve on their functioning, on their day-to-day functioning, not only in terms of manufacturing but also in regards to their workers, their staff.
And one best thing about this Occupational Safety Health Expo Summit 2025 which you like to share with us?
The best thing about this exhibition is that it is spread across 3 days and people who cannot attend it on, let's say today, can come tomorrow or the day after. So we have split our organization into people who can attend it on all 3 days. So that way everyone will be on board and everyone will be aware of what is available in the market.
Ma'am, your full name and you're from which place and why it was important for you to attend this expo?
My name is Shruti Khandeparkar. I am from Lift Controls, Khandepar, Konda, Goa. It is important for me as an owner of the company to be aware of the operations and the safety requirements of factories and boilers. We are not usually, sometimes we are not compliant with these things and then we get queries from the department. But it is also our responsibility to be aware, and this is the way we can actually come and gain knowledge.
Ma'am, any of the youngsters who are willing to do career in this, any message from your side for them?
I would say I actually have a suggestion on having a service, a third-party consultancy service that can be offered to companies like us. So in this service, the consultants will remind us of, let's say, the renewals of the licenses and certificates, and also guide us on how to implement these methods and even probably conduct mock audits, so we are actually prepared for the final safety audit. And yeah, I think that is the most important part of functioning in a factory.
Thank you so much, ma'am.